The Data Provider section in the Admin panel is a central hub that controls the options available for properties throughout the application. Let's take a closer look at this section and explore some of the options that are automatically generated for you. At the top of the list, you'll find Appearance Status. If you recall from the tutorial on appearance dates, these statuses correspond to the statuses listed for each date. Also, the layout of this page may look familiar, as it mirrors the design of the Appearance Types section in the Admin panel. You'll also notice that some of the status values are marked with a lock icon. These locked items are system-defined, meaning they cannot be edited or deleted. However, you're free to add additional statuses to meet your needs. While we won't go through every option, let's highlight a few key ones. For example, Case Phases, which was previously covered in the Case Features tutorial, allows you to add as many phases as your Office workflow requires. Another essential category is Case Status. These are the official statuses for a case. Although the predefined statuses are locked, you can add new ones as needed. For instance, if your Office workflow includes a finalize step before closing cases, you can create a new case status labeled Finalize and assign it to those cases accordingly. Next, there's Contact Types, which powers the contact section of the application. Here, you can define as many contact types as you need to ensure your contacts are categorized appropriately. You may also recall from the Case Templates tutorial that when adding a new autocomplete field or dropdown field, you needed to select a data provider for it. This section is where you can define additional data providers to use in those fields. This gives you complete control over not just the structure of your case templates, but also the values that populate your fields. To add a new data provider, simply click the blue plus button in the Name section. Once the provider is created, you can populate it with values by clicking the blue plus button in the Value section. If you need to make changes to any existing item, you can select it and click the Edit link to modify or delete it. In summary, data providers are an essential part of the application's infrastructure. They serve as a behind-the-scenes network of data values that power features across the platform, ensuring a smooth and customizable experience within LawOffice.ai.